In this video, I am going to be teaching you how to calculate Hamster Kombat coin into Naira and dollar and other currency I'll be adding into this video. So guys, watch this video to the end because I'll be giving you the total estimation of money you are going to be making from this Hamster Kombat. Guys, from my screen here, you can see my Hamster Kombat claimed is 758. Now, I'm going to be using 1000 Hamster Kombat to do this video till the end. So guys, give this video a thumbs up, like, go to the comment section, react on this video, tell me the number of Hamster Kombat you are having. So we are going to be doing the calculation under the comment section. And don't forget to click on subscribe. So guys, to get the price of Hamster Kombat, let's start with this aspect. You can see to determine the market price of Hamster Kombat. One, we have market demand, Hamster token supply, pre-market trading impact. Let me start with the pre-market trading impact. To get the pre-market trading impact, let's go to Bybit. Let me just go to Bybit to show you something. So this is Bybit. You can see pre-market now. Hamster Kombat is around $0.1. So what is the total estimation we are going to be expecting from Hamster Kombat market price? The market price should be around $0.10 to $0.30 price. That is the ranging price of Hamster Kombat. So guys, let's calculate this. Let's go to our calculator. Assuming you have $1,000, no, sorry for that. Assuming you have 1000 Hamster Kombat coin, so multiply by 0.30. That is $300 for 1000 combat from 1000 Hamster Kombat coin. So guys, I think this is the secret thing to understand. Now to convert this into dollar, you are having already $300 from your end. So P2P market for now is around 1680 per dollar or 1650 per dollar. So it depends on Nigeria. That is Nigeria currency I'm converting to. So let's now multiply $300 multiplied by 1680 Naira. That means you are making 504,000 Naira if the price of Hamster Kombat should be around 0.30. So guys, take a note of this. You can make a lot of money from this Hamster Kombat. And there is a secret about Hamster Kombat. No matter what, the tokenomists have already made us know that if any coin should be listed, it's going to skyrocket. Let's take a look of this example. I have a lot of proof from my side here. So guys, this is, let me show you. I have something to show you. So let me go to this area so you can see it. Let's take a look of CAT USDT. The moment CAT was listed that day, the listing price is around $0.59. But guys, take a look of this. 2 days ago, the CAT USDT skyrocketed to $1.1325. So assuming you are holding your Hamster Kombat or you are holding this CAT USDT till the day of where the crypto skyrockets, you are going to be making $1,000. So related to who converted is Hamster Kombat to around that price, assuming the price was listed today and 26th of this month, the price is skyrocketing. Maybe you see around $0.10. So guys, some people holding the coin may experience selling it at high price, but this is not advisable because it is risky. Most of the time, I remember when Notcoin was released then, I entered the trade with $300 in which I lost all my money. I hit stop loss of $300. You can check my channel and go to how to name forex and cryptocurrency trading. I have a channel for that also. That is Ite Crypto FS. So guys, I think with this you will be able to understand how to calculate Hamster Kombat coin and the estimations of